Hey Clooney Garage fans, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, the 355 Stroker is built. Let's go into Gentech and check it out. Let's go. Duck's guts. Oh, mate, we're back here. Engine Build Friday, mate. What do you got yourself here?
We've got ourselves a Holden V8 Stroker.
Oh, stop it. No longer 5 litres, I hear.
No, nope.
North of that. So 383, 355.
355.
Very good, very good.
I actually can't remember.
I'll stir you up, that's all right.
Yeah.
So, mate, since our last video, we did the looked at all the componentry, and you and I talked about all the bits. You've since assembled it. Maybe take us through the assembly process to start with.
Yeah, we can. So obviously we've measured all the clearances and gapped all the rings and done all that fun stuff. And then we do a final wash and then put the bottom end together. And we do modifications to the oiling system, which I think we went through
last
time. Obviously new cam bearings as well. Yep. Blueprinted oil pump. Obviously new water pump. So we haven't done the water pump bolts. We get the water pump bolts like the original ones now.
Oh.
Yeah, so it looks all original.
Is this aftermarket?
That's an aftermarket water pump. Can't buy the genuine pump anymore, sadly.
Yeah.
But cast iron impeller, very important.
Okay.
Obviously, we've ported the heads, as you know, CNC ported heads, your Welsh plugs, and then you've put some pretty covers on it.
Yeah, and we just unscrewed the oil filler here, and we saw there's a 15th gap between that and either the head stud or the top of the rocker.
They're very close, but they clear.
Yeah,
and that's the main thing.
Excellent.
Got an ASR Commodore Cup sump.
Yep.
So that'll be good for your...
Get a good look at that, Frankie. You probably can't see the windage straight from the outside, but you've got one.
It's got one.
Stop it.
Yeah, stop it, all right.
Oh, excellent.
Yep. We've got Power Bond Race harmonic balancer on it. It's all been internally balanced.
Yellow Terra roller rockers?
Yellow Terra roller rockers, yep.
All right, mate. So with the stroker kit and all the shaving on the heads, what sort of compression are you running?
Around about 10.7 to 1.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So E85 territory or?
No. It's got a fairly large camshaft, so it's basically your running compression ratios will be down. So we've worked out that's what we needed for that. It's a fairly reasonable size camshaft we've got in it.
Big lift.
Yeah, it's got a reasonable lift as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
Not run on 91.
Oh.
No, not running 91. 98 for the win with probably octane booster, I'd say.
Maybe a bit of jungle juice, Frankie. I've got some nitro. I've got some nitromethane ice cubes in the Mrs. Fred's ice cube tray. You might have to use some of those.
Yes.
All right. And head gaskets?
Chemetics. So we're going 40 thou Chemetic head gasket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So because of the way the head bolts are on these, better to go a Chemetic head gasket, especially with a bit more compression there.
Yep.
We've got ARP head studs as well.
Yep.
And then on top, we've got the Cum Racing twin throttle body manifold.
And your experience, mate, how they compare? Obviously, bunch of bananas falls over, but Group A manifolds very cost prohibitive. But how do these flow?
Yeah, pretty close to a Group A.
Yeah.
So I mean, they're the most cost-effective manifold there in regards to it.
RPM wise?
Yeah, makes more RPM. So yeah, like we can rev this thing to probably 6.5.
We'll take our Mobil 1 race cam as we ride with Peter Brock, the Mobil 1 Commodore. Brock now runs 6th on the road. Just missed staying in the draft of the leaders.
Very, very shortly.
Here, you don't really want to touch anyone at the end of the straight, as you saw at the head of the program with Thomas Mazzera sliding off.
You're never late in the 308. Is that the same with a 355?
That's it.
Righto. So let's talk what else is left to go on. I'm looking at a bunch of ancillary components.
Yeah, so we've got a lot of ancillary stuff to obviously put on: thermostat housing, water pump pulleys, and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
We'll have to decide what we're doing with injector rails. The way that Cum Racing do it, you can modify the standard rail, and then we run a crossover hose underneath there, or we go an aftermarket rail. We're obviously going to put upgraded injectors in it.
Yep.
Still running the factory style distributor.
Frankie, you want
probably
to
go.
get a view of the distributor?
Yeah, we'll probably go with a sequential distributor depending on which Haltech we decide to use.
Right.
Yeah, they've obviously got to get headers. Yeah, there's a bit still to go.
Yeah.
Lots of fiddly little stuff now. So
Righto.
probably at the point where we need to get it in the car.
Get it in the car, get it on some solid engine mounts, and then we can start massaging the VP engine bay and get the stuff to fit.
That's it.
Awesome. All right.
Yep.
And then we've obviously got on the front of our twin throttle body, they come with a prefabricated outlet, Marcus.
Today right here.
Right.
So that goes there like that.
Yep.
Hence why the bolts are there.
Righto.
And that goes to your factory bellows and onto your factory airbox.
Oh,
Or we may decide to do a pod setup.
okay.
Yeah. So being it's a race car, we'll probably do something like that. Enclose an airbox and
Yeah.
do a pod setup.
Oh, very exciting.
Yeah.
Cool. And so when we run it up on the dyno, put a tune in it, what sort of power are you expecting? And because we're not going to be chasing Clooney type power.
No, this will make, should make around 420, 450 at the flywheel.
Thank you. Yeah, we love a fast revving V8 in the Clooney garage. So
Yeah, it's good. I think it, you know, for these things, you know, they're making pretty reasonable power now. Like,
Yeah.
I remember when these things, you know, you're making 300 horsepower and it was a lot of power for these.
Yeah.
But when I was back in the day.
Well, I remember when the Harrop stroker came out in the GDSR, that had on the rocker covers here, Frankie, if you might remember, had a big 215.
Ooh.
Well, the blueprinted, and you spend another 15 grand and get it blueprinted by HSV.
Yep. Yep, that was on the VS GDSR.
Yeah.
I was working at Holden back then.
Oh, stop it.
Yeah.
You did your apprenticeships on VPs, you were telling me.
I did. Did my apprenticeships on VN. Yep. Started on VN and yeah, I was at Holden for 10 years.
Oh, awesome. And how many years you've been building V8s now here at Gentech?
Well, Gentech's been going 25 years now, but I was building engines since I started doing engines in 1993 full
Wow.
time.
Okay.
Geez, you're showing your age there, Marcus.
I am.
A
Built
couple
a
of ring
few.
gaps done there.
Yes, I've done quite a few over the years.
So maybe for the viewers, we got connected when I bought Clooney originally. And
Yeah.
first mod was the 2300 blower on the 6 litre.
Yep.
What do we do after that? We got a 7 litre crate engine.
7 litre. Yep.
Then we put a 2650 on that
Yep.
against your recommendation.
Mm-hmm.
And we sent that to the moon on
We
the
sent
dyno.
that to the moon on the dyno and then,
Bit of a moment.
yeah, we just pushed it a bit hard.
That's all right. That's what
But
happens.
it's bigger and better than ever now.
87 RPM, that's what happens. And then forge motor, LS7 fully built, and now she's 1,000 horsepower.
Yep. Yeah, it's crazy, eh? That
Yeah.
makes some good power.
Yeah.
400 sounds plenty for this motor.
Yes, yes.
And we've got a flywheel and a clutch for it
Coming.
on the
Not-
shopper list.
Not here yet, but soon.
Super
Radiator is on its way. Headers are on their way.
Oh, which headers do we go with, Manta?
We're going with Manta,
Oh, stop.
inch and 3/4, 4-to-1s.
Yep.
Yep. So they'll be here soon.
Yep.
Probably get them HPC coded as well.
Yep.
Yeah. So then.
And then, Marcus, we've got to do our special twin into boom tubes out the side.
Yeah, we'll do something. My fabricator, I've already spoken to him about that, so we'll do something there.
Yeah.
Probably an oval shaped muffler and an oval tips.
Yeah.
So make it look as though,
We're Brocky coming down Conrod.
yep,
Look out.
my mate, Mr. Brock.
You there, Pete?
Just my old friend Alan Boffer on the phone there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, you said to me, how was I going to go with my carburetor? And unfortunately, your fuel injection has outlasted me.
Into the top runners running 05 in 6 now. Let's have a
So 05's in the shop in October, I'm guessing.
Yeah, we'll probably halfway through October we'll start looking to get it in.
Or straight after Bathurst.
Pretty much,
Look
yes.
Yeah, awesome.
We'll get motivated during Bathurst.
You bet.
Yeah. That's
All right,
it.
mate. Thank you.
Thanks, mate. Good
All
to
right.
see you.
Catch ya.